State Cabinet on Monday approved the draft Meghalaya Power Policy 2024. Addressing media persons, Power Minister Abu Tahir Mondal said the Cabinet has discussed thoroughly and has approved the new power policy. The policy is aimed at improving the operational efficiency of the existing power plants and the generation utility as a whole. It also aims to build, maintain and operate an efficient, coordinated and economical transmission system, to improve the distribution system and reduce the system losses, and to make the system user-friendly for the public, right from billing, complaints of electricity, etc.
The Cabinet has agreed the new power policy. This component is same. Some new addition is there, as you are aware that our earlier power policy was not having anything called palm storage project. We have a little bit changed the criteria for solar energy as per the requirement of our renewable power purchase obligation. And then we are also encouraging the investor to come to the state so that new power projects come. These are the basic things that we have added.
8 to 10 years or so, because these some of the projects are long gestation period projects, especially the hydro part. It requires a lot of environmental clearances and all those things. We for ourselves have set up some targets, like for example in terms of hydro, the additional capacity, we have kept a target of around 300 megawatt. Part of it we are targeting through the second phase of Leshka, for which the TPRs are almost towards the finalization, and with this policy we now aim to find out a prospective partner if the state government is not taking it on its own. This policy gives the flexibility to the state government to get partners or the joint ventures either with the central PSU or any other private player who gives the best deal as per the norms of this policy.